Yo, what is up guys? Today we're doing a video and we're going to be mining some lava rocks. And we're money grinding and getting money. So, here where we start. Well, actually, before, I don't need this backpack because I did have a bag with some lava rocks. Only 4 or something.
Can we sell it? Let's sell it.
No, because then it would be quicker. Is this? Get out.
Now let's sell it. Ow! Steve's lava chicken. Oh my god,
But why is your backpack bouncing?
Oh no, the lava rock's gone out of it, right?
Steve lava chicken. Chicken. Lava. Steve lava chicken.
We going now or what?
Guys, if you want to watch the Minecraft movie, just search up a Minecraft movie, but it has to be on Movie Box Pro.
Or the cinemas.
Yes. Also,
it might come on Netflix. It might come on Netflix and Prime. I do not know.
Yes, we do not know. We do not. Okay. Anyway,
we only know it comes
to
from
stop
cinema
yapping,
and
let's just get these lava rocks.
Oh. Mine.
Steve lava
Spooky, scary.
Spooky, scary skeletons. With shivering at your spines. Oh, mine.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Chicken. Mine.
I'm so low. I'm actually so low. I can't be hidden.
Now that's why the way how they put the lava on the floor sucks.
Oh. Lava.
Hey bro, come here. This is the best place. Come here. There's a billion of them over here. Come.
Okay, mama. Where are you?
Oh my god.
Oh.
Lava. Chicken and deep lava chicken. Lava, chicken, Steve lava chicken. A few moments later. Lava, chicken, Steve lava chicken. I just got company coins. Now imagine, bro.
Don't hit me.
Okay, I won't.
Cause I'm really low. I'm actually
Lava, chicken. Did you? Oh, never. I thought you died. I just keep thinking you died because the monsters are touching the thing. Bro? Oh, never mind. Bro, you're scaring me. I'm thinking you died.
Why?
Because of the noise.
Imagine they added the eye here. That'd be so annoying.
Yeah, for real. Now, if they actually added it, I would give Animal Company an L. Oh my god, I'm so heavy. Oh shit. Bro? Oh, bro, thank God. I thought I lost my pickaxe.
Yo, my backpack's always full. May I get some of your lava?
Me too.
My lava crystal.
No, the lava and chicken Steve song, yeah, it fits so good with the lava in this map. Lava chicken, Steve lava chicken.
I need help. There's an Armstrong here.
My backpack's full, but where are you?
Hey.
Hey bro, my backpack's full. Look, I can't even, oh no. Never mind, it's not full, don't worry. Cause it wasn't getting in my backpack for a sec.
Mine is almost.
Yeah, me too, my one's nearly full. Bro, I'm so, hey bro, I found you. Hey bro, don't worry.
There's an Armstrong. I almost died by the Armstrong.
Nobody likes you, stupid, ugly Armstrong.